P0302 indicates a misfire detected in cylinder 2 of the engine. Main causes: faulty spark plug. Worn or damaged spark plug can cause weak ignition. Ignition coil issues. A failing ignition coil can prevent proper firing. Fuel delivery problems. Clogged fuel injector or low fuel pressure may lead to insufficient fuel. Vacuum leaks. Air leaks can disrupt the air-fuel mixture. Engine mechanical issues. Problems like low compression in cylinder 2 can affect performance. Solutions: inspect and replace spark plug. Check for wear and replace if necessary. Test ignition coil. Swap with a functioning cylinder to isolate the issue. Clean or replace fuel injector. Ensure proper fuel delivery. Check for vacuum leaks. Inspect hoses and intake manifold for leaks. Perform compression test. Assess cylinder health and address any mechanical issues. Conclusion: